In this episode, a passionate restorer sets out to resurrect a forgotten 1967 Pontiac Firebird, uncovering its legendary era. Through archival ads and owner diaries, the history unfolds from muscle car glory to rusted silhouette waiting for renewal. The crew faces scarce parts, stubborn undercoats, and welding mysteries, turning setbacks into lessons that sharpen their steel blue resolve. Interviews with the owner and a veteran craftsman reveal late-night grit, patient measurements, and a shared language of handwork. By episode's end, the revived Firebird roars again, embodying devotion, precision, and the timeless thrill of vintage craftsmanship.